Okay, so we're doing something a little different today. I saw this video on TikTok of someone making a flower mirror out of air dry clay and just like a cheap mirror from Hobby Lobby or the Target dollar section. And so we're going on a quest today. We're gonna figure out how to make it so you don't have to. I think this is gonna be harder than it looked in the video, but hopefully not too hard. So let's try it. Okay, I'm actually gonna pull up the video so you can see it. So you know what we're going for, what the aim is here. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so you can see she's using foam clay in this video, but we're gonna use air dry clay and we're gonna hope it does just as good of a job. So there it is at the end. Actually, who knows? Maybe I'll find some foam clay while I'm there at Hobby Lobby. If it's a good price, I'll just go ahead and buy it and we can use that. I think all we're gonna need is foam clay if it comes colored, or I'll use my air dry clay and paint it with acrylic paint. And other than that, hot glue and a mirror. So not that many supplies. Let's go look for it. Okay, we are here at Hobby Lobby. We're gonna go in and look for all the things to make this DIY floral mirror that we saw on TikTok. You're coming along with me for the whole process, so I'm gonna show you all the things that distract me every time I go to Hobby Lobby. And also we're gonna find what we actually need to hopefully successfully do this project. On the way here, I did decide I'm gonna look for the foam clay. I think that that's gonna be like key in making it look puffy and like fun like it did in the TikTok. So we're gonna be using foam clay. Hopefully we can find some fun colors and it's not too expensive. Hobby Lobby is right there. So let's go inside and go look for it. There is so much fall stuff. It is absolutely insane, but we have to look at it, obviously. So we're gonna look at it for just a second and then we'll go find our foam clay. Okay, we can't forget that we have to find an actual mirror to put this on. We can't just put it on nothing. So I need to go to like the section where small mirrors are. So I'm kind of looking in home decor, hoping that I'll come across it here in a couple minutes. I was hoping I would find one here in the spring shop because all the spring shop stuff is 66% off, but I don't think I'm gonna have any luck here. So look at another part of the store. I feel like every time I come here, I inevitably think, do I need a new hobby? Because this looks fun. I could make my own loofahs. How cute is this? Okay, so in the aisle with like mosaic stuff and kind of like resin molds, I did find a little section that has mirrors, but they don't have any that stand on their own. So I'm gonna grab this one for now and then we're gonna go see if we can find one of the ones that has an attached stand. So I'll show you what the section kind of looks like. It's next to wood crafts if you're looking in your Hobby Lobby, and it's only $4.49 for this size. So probably gonna grab this one, but hopefully we will find one that has an attached stand later on. We got the goods. It's very bright out here. They did not have the foam clay, so I'm kind of torn. I saw that I can get it on Amazon overnight delivery. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna do that because I really just don't think my air dry clay is gonna do it. I don't think it's gonna be the same consistency and I think it's gonna look weird. So I'm gonna order the foam clay and I'll finish this project tomorrow. We are back, day 2 on this project. Amazon unfortunately delayed my shipment, so the foam clay is not coming today like it was supposed to. It was supposed to come between 4 and 8 a.m. and it is now 1 p.m. and it is not here. So thanks Amazon. We are now gonna take a impromptu trip to Michael's and see if they have it there, and then hopefully we can finally make this mirror. I'm wearing my design bundle shirt today because it was dollar deal day. We just got off the live. If you joined us, I hope you had a great time. We made some fun little skeleton spooky vinyl stuff and talked about the dollar deal. Now that that's done, I just ate some lunch. I feel very refreshed. Let's go to Michael's. Also, luckily I did find this Michael's gift card in a drawer that I forgot that I had, so we're gonna use that. We have arrived at Michael's. There she is. Let's see if they have foam clay. I looked it up online. It says they have it. Will they actually have it? We're about to find out. This is turning out to be quite the saga. So let's see if they have it. I think it's on this aisle. Wait. There she is, foam clay. We found it. It's like on this aisle with the kids stuff, which I'm fine with. It's perfect for this project. I don't need anything fancy. I need this. They actually have all this other clay too, like this small size and this really big one. These are great prices. I'm not gonna get this today because it's just the air dry clay. It's not the colorful kind and I don't wanna dye my clay, but great deal. Also, this clay shark kit is only $5, so. But we found what we have come for. I'm gonna look for some stuff for my sister for her classroom, and then I'm gonna get home and we're gonna make this mirror, finally. Got the goods, plus found this part for my sister's classroom, so that'll be fun. Okay, here's a better view of the cart that I got for my sister's classroom. They were on sale for $29, so I feel like that is a must buy. She's gonna love that. Here's our clay that we ended up with. I think it's gonna be perfect. And then I also got this bowl thing for $2 that I'm gonna use to make a candle. Okay, I am melting. Let's go home. Okay, we are back from Michael's. I don't think we need the mirror just yet. Ooh, that is bright. Let's rip into our clay. I'm excited to feel the texture of this. Let's make some flowers. So the video that I'm basing this off of, they did like this ombre type thing. So we're gonna try to do it too. I think that you have to mix the clay, which like, can you mix the clay? Don't know, we're gonna find out. The texture is very nice. Okay, and now the pink. Oh, I love it. So I really was leaning towards ombre flowers, but now I'm a little concerned I'm not gonna have enough clay. Like, this is not a lot of clay. Let's make some petals. Okay, we're gonna roll them into balls, as many as we can make of each color. I think ideally each flower would have about 5 petals, but I think it's okay if they're different sizes from each other. Okay, so then we're just gonna stick them together. Flower. Okay, let's make one in a different color. Maybe we won't end up doing this ombre effect. I think I'm gonna use some of these other colors. They're so fun. I think I want all the centers to be yellow. Let's go ahead and make one. All right, so we're gonna make the little center, another ball for the center. Shut up, that's so cute. Okay, and then they use like a toothpick, but we're gonna use something else. I'm just gonna kind of squish it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna use the back end of my weeding hook to turn these into like petals. Okay, why do I love that so much? First flower, done. Let's make another one. Let's do a different color. Why is this so fun? I need to get more of this and do this with my kids. All right, let's make another flower. And then what I'll probably do is pause the camera, finish making all the flowers in all of our fun colors, and then show you how we're gonna glue it all on here to make a really cool finished product. I also think I'm gonna have to play around with the placement of the flowers a little bit, because I just feel like, I think it's gonna be hard to figure out what colors should go next to each other, and I also think these are gonna end up being a lot of different sizes, which is fine. So I'm gonna roll these into little balls for the petals. Oh my goodness, I love this pink color so much. Okay, and then this one needs a center. I'm kind of like pulling it out a little bit more, and it creates more, even more of like a petal effect. That is so cute. So here's the second one with its big puffy petals. We're gonna just lay it off to the side with the other one for now. Oh my goodness. Okay, look at them together. We're gonna lay both these off to the side. I'm gonna make all the others, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna put it all on our mirror. So if you're making yours, just repeat. Feel free to play with size, feel free to play with petal shape, feel free to play with color. I don't think you can mess this project up. Make your flowers. See you back here in a minute. Okay, we are back. We have made all of our flowers. You can see them all here. Very fluffy and very cute. Also, the video inspo that I saw for this, she did flowers all the way around her mirror, but I did kind of place mine a little bit, and I really like them kind of like across the way from each other because of the shape of this mirror. So I think we're gonna do that. Let's glue our flowers on really quick. We're gonna start up here. Hot glue on the foam is scary. I'm just gonna glue right over that sticker. We're just gonna pretend like it's not even there. She is so cute. I love this. Okay, now we're gonna do our orange one. This project is so fun and it's easy. That's the other thing. It's like making these, you could do this with your kids. It's really hard to mess it up. I'm gonna push down these centers just because I kind of like them a little flatter. That's it. That's the end of this project. Look at that. That is a cute mirror. How fun is that? Okay, GB besties, that's our Hobby Lobby makeover. All this was some foam clay, some hot glue, and a cheap mirror, and a lot of fun. I hope you had so much fun making this mirror with me. I know I had fun procuring all the materials and making it myself. For a first time, I've never done anything like this before. For the first time, I would call this a win. I'm gonna probably put this in my daughter's room. She's gonna be obsessed with it. Let me know what you want us to make next in the comments. If you wanna go on another vlog adventure with me, let us know in the comments. If you like this, we will definitely do it more because I think it's a blast. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing because we are coming at you every week with all the crafty fun. As always, happy crafting. I'm Laura. You can follow me personally on social media anywhere at It's Laura Lambert. I would love for you to shoot me a DM, leave me a comment, connect with me. I want to know what you're crafting, what you're making, what's inspiring you lately. I'm gonna go enjoy this mirror and I'll see you back here next time. Happy crafting!